Maybe you've heard the words artificial intelligence on the news, or from your grandchildren, and felt a little knot in your stomach, like it's one more thing that's passing you by, one more thing that's not really for you. Well, I'm here to tell you something, gently and honestly. It is for you. And by the end of our few minutes together today, you're going to understand it better than most people half your age. So pour yourself something warm, get comfortable, and let's take this one small step at a time. Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Gentle Life Lessons. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. This is a soft place to land, where we take life's big, overwhelming things and make them feel manageable again. Today, we're starting something new together, a gentle little series all about this thing called AI. Not the scary science fiction version, the real, everyday, helpful version that can genuinely make your life a bit easier. And I promise you this, I will never rush you, and I will never talk over your head. We're going to walk, not run. So let's clear the fog. What is AI really? Forget robots taking over the world. Here's the truest, simplest way I can explain it. Imagine you had a friend who had read almost every book, every recipe, every article, every how-to guide ever written. A friend who never got tired, never got impatient, and was available any hour of the day or night. And all you had to do was ask them a question in plain English, the way you talk to a neighbor over the fence. That's what really is AI. It's a very, very well-read helper that you talk to in ordinary words. You don't need special codes. You don't need to be good with computers. If you can type a text to your daughter or speak into your phone, you already have every skill you need. Let me say that again, because I know some of you needed to hear it. If you can ask a question, you can use AI. That's the whole secret. Everything else is just practice. Now, I want to gently set a few worries aside because I know they might be sitting on your heart. First, no, it is not listening to you all day or spying on you. When you close it, the conversation ends, just like hanging up a phone. Second, no, it's not going to replace you or make what you know worthless. If anything, it does the opposite. It takes everything you've learned in your long, rich life and helps you share it more easily. Your wisdom is the treasure. AI is just a helpful tool for polishing it. And third, you cannot break it. You truly cannot. You can ask it the same question 10 different ways. You can make a mistake. You can type something silly. It will just gently keep helping you. There is no wrong way to begin. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Say it's your grandson's birthday and you want to write something special, but the words just won't come. You can open one of these AI helpers and simply type, "Help me write a warm, loving birthday message to my 16-year-old grandson who loves music." And in just a few seconds, it would offer you a beautiful starting point, not to replace your words, but to unstick you. You read it, you change it, you add your own memories, and suddenly the card that felt impossible is done, and it's lovely. Or maybe you're staring into the refrigerator at dinner time. You could type, "I have chicken, rice, and some vegetables. What's a simple dinner I can make?" And there's your answer, like having a patient friend in the kitchen with you. Do you see? This isn't about becoming a technology expert. It's about having a gentle helper for the ordinary moments of your day. Here's what I really want you to carry with you today. The world sometimes acts like this technology belongs only to the young. But that simply isn't true. You have something they don't have. Decades of wisdom, patience, and stories worth telling. When you pair that with a simple tool like this, there's no telling what you could do. Maybe it helps you write the memoir you've always dreamed of. Maybe it helps you start a tiny little side business doing something you already love. Maybe it just helps you feel a little more capable, a little more independent, a little more like the world hasn't left you behind. Because it hasn't, and it won't. So that's our first gentle step taken together. AI is not a monster, and it's not a mountain. It's just a well-read friend waiting for you to ask it something. That's all. Next time, I'm going to sit down with you and we'll actually open one of these helpers together and ask it our very first question, side by side. Nothing scary, just one small step further. If this brought you even a little comfort today, would you do me a kindness? Leave a comment and tell me one thing you'd love to ask an AI helper. I read every single one. Subscribe so you don't miss our next step together. And if you'd like some gentle, ready-made starter questions to keep by your computer, I've made a little collection for you. You'll find it linked just below. Until next time, my friend, be gentle with yourself. You are never too late, and you are never too old to learn something new. I'll see you soon.